Hi guys, welcome to My Mix, the show where we read your messages and grant your music video requests.
You're with us, Boy Band PH, your mix celebrity VJ for the month of February.
Our first message is from Maan de la Cruz. And here's our message. Boy Band PH, daw yung magbabasa nito. Okay. Only dapat yung request ko pero pwede naman kantahin muna nila saka i-play yung request ko. Let's just sing it before we continue.
Oh, 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 1, 2, 3. Oh, 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 only pag-ibig, di nauubos bawat oras ay sulit. Oh, 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 only pag-ibig, huwag kang mag-alala, ang offer exclusive sa'yo. Diyos ko, ang ganda mo, hindi naman sa nambubola ako. Oh, oh, be my only pag-ibig. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey. And I hope you like that one. Pahay naman po kay Maan de la Cruz. Ako po yun. Hi, Man!
Hi man!
Hi, man.
Okay. Love you, Joao, Russell, Ford, Neil, and Tristan. In short, kayong 5. More power to Mix and God bless. Haha. P.S. Hindi kita ginagaya, Joao. Na-try ko lang. Hahaha. So she was just trying my typing, you know. Alam niyo na yun. Alright. That's it. Pretty much it. Yep. And here is Say You Won't Let Go by James Arthur.
Welcome back to My Mix, you're still with us,
Boy Band PH!
Mix Celebrity VJs for the month of February.
Our next message is from Ella Viloria. Hi Boy Band PH, sobrang hinahangaan ko kayo, lalong-lalo na si Kuya Ford. Sobrang Pinoy ang itsura pero may pagka-K-pop ang datingan. And by the way, kaya ito yung napili kong kanta kasi yung music video, dun daw siya naaliw. And tingin niya daw, si Bailey, idol niya daw yun eh. And ayun, pabati na lang daw sa atin. And love you boy band, see you soon. Muhammad Chup Chup.
Hi, thank you.
Here it is, Can You Be My Girl by Bailey May.
And now we are down to our last request from Miles.
But before we read your message, we would like to thank all of those who sent in their messages. And for those who want to send their own messages, just go to the link down below.
At ang message niya ay, Hi po kay Neil Murillo ng Boy Band PH. Hi, I love you too. Ang galing-galing mong kumanta, gustong-gusto kita, lalo na yung malaanghel mong boses. Salamat talaga. This has been Boy Band PH, your mixed celebrity VJs for February, leaving you with Migraine by Moonstar 88.
Bye!